G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today we are making the very popular Sex on the Beach. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your highball glass or hurricane or pina colada glass, depending on what you want to use. You're going to load up the glass with ice. Perfect. 45 mils of vodka. .45 mils of peach schnapps. Actually, it's not 45 mils, it's 30 mils. But you can do 45 if you like a bit of peach. 30 mils. We're going to grab the cranberry juice. Now we just want to, it's about 60 mils, but we're going to layer it. So about that. Then we're going to top it up with orange juice, about the same, about 60 mils of orange juice. And garnish with a slice of orange. We're just going to use a quarter. There you have Sex on the Beach. Enjoy.